So now we are back again, and let's continue on working on getting the interior done. So as I showed you last time, the seats are out, and I'm going to take care of this for now and then move on to interior. Yeah, let's continue. And now both of the seats are done. Looks nice and really clean. This nice matte finish to it with no oils or any debris, any dirt. And now it's time for interior. Carpet first thing, and then gonna start doing the door panels and a dashboard. So looks like carpet is done. Looks pretty good, especially on the driver's side. Well, the passenger side looks bad just because it's destroyed. Who knows by what? Looks like someone spilled some kind of acid here, so it actually ate through the carpet, and there are some whatever this is, the canvas that's underneath the carpet. That's pretty much what that is. You know, but it'll do for now. I can always get another black carpet, it's not a problem, and they're fairly inexpensive, so should be able to find one. And now let's probably move on to the center console and the dashboard. Yeah. More or less everything is done. Just gotta do a final wipe down on every console and put a couple of things together. And that's what the finished product looks like. Got everything in the right spot. Floor mats, everything. Nice and clean on the back. And the same on the passenger side. This is it. Already tired as usual and hungry, so probably gonna wrap up for tonight, and next time most likely I'm going to install my new control arms. So see you next time.